Hey, what's up guys? In this video we're going to talk about check constraint in structured query language. The check constraint is to limit the range of values that can be placed in a column. Like in example, we have the employee table and the employee table has the age field, and here we have the check constraint added to the age field, and the condition is age greater than equal 20. So the age field of the employee table can have any value greater than equal 20, but it cannot contain any value less than 20. So here the check constraint is limiting the range of values that can be placed in the age column. Like an example, we have the employee table. Now to add the check constraint to the age field, we have to write check and the condition age greater than equal 20. So this check constraint will limit the age field to have values only greater than equal 20. Now we can add the check constraint to one field when the table is already created. In that case, we have to use the alter table statement. So I'm gonna write alter table and then the name of the table employee, and then we can add the check constraint and we're gonna have the condition is greater than equal 20. So this way we can add the check constraint to one field even after the table is already created. Now also we can name a check constraint, and also we can define the check constraint on multiple columns. In that case we have to use the alter table statement. So we have to write alter table employee. We're gonna add the constraint and we have to give one name to the constraint. So I'm gonna call it chkemp, and we can apply the check constraint to multiple fields. So I'm gonna make the age to be greater than equal 20, and we can make the salary greater than equal 20,000. So in this line of statement we are creating one check constraint and we are assigning one name to the check constraint, and also we are applying the check constraint onto multiple fields of the employee table. And now to drop the check constraint we have to write alter table, then the name of the table, and then we have to write drop constraint and then name of the constraint that we have created earlier. So I'm gonna write chkemp. So this line of statement will drop the check constraint called chkemp that we have created earlier. So this is the way we can use the check constraint in our table to limit the range of values that can be placed in a column of that table. So hope you understand the concept. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.